Okay, this is hilarious, cause like my neighbor thinks we're like in the Florida Keys or something. She's got her windows down and her radio up.
Social media, where can people find you? How can they find you?
I have my own website, which is DanteSoul.com, DanteSoul.com.
They all think I'm a little bit nuts, but we all know it's them. What? Okay, I have to show you the only snowman we have so far in the neighborhood. And this is what it looks like. It's like, oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. My God, she's so upset. It's, no. It's like, that is the best snowman I've ever seen in my life. Hey, we're finally getting Cheryl's car done. You know what? You know what I think the problem is? Wait a minute. I see the problem. That's not fair. I think they're a little bit pissed off at me. But I think I know what the problem is here, people. I'm going to show you.
What's the problem, Nancy?
That's the problem.
Hit it with the hammer. Hit it with the...
She's working hard.
Right there.
She's doing a good job. Wait, what? Oh, no. I don't drink. It's like my neighbors like to stay warm.
No.
They like to stay warm.
You don't drink anymore. You don't drink any less.
It's like, I love these people. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful sight? I love it so much. Yes. That's good. Okay, let's go over here. Oh, look at her doing her little shoveling. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Thanks, man. You're doing a great job. What's your
Doing a
name?
good job.
Adonis?
We're doing a good job over here too. And we really like all the snow equipment in the snow.